Hello and welcome to AzureTracks and MSCQF. I'm Andrew Lowe's. Thank you for joining us today, everybody. With me is Mr. Ryan McKay. How are you?
I'm great, Andrew. How are
I
you doing today?
am fantastic, sir. So, we wanted to talk about Microsoft Entra, kind of a new home for Microsoft identity and kind of wrapping a lot of the very formerly confusing security portals and kind of unifying those solutions for us so that we can manage everything in one spot.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a new product family is the term Microsoft uses, which encompasses all of Microsoft's identity capabilities. It's a really wicked, brand new family of products being offered by Microsoft, and we want to talk about it today. So let's roll a think.
Absolutely. We'll see you back in one moment. And we're back. So, like you were saying, Microsoft Entra is kind of the new home for multi cloud identity and access solutions. And solutions is kind of maybe a very high level word for this, right? There's a lot to it. So we wanted to kind of take a moment and just introduce this new product family, Microsoft Entra, to all of our viewers and listeners. So with Entra, we get to kind of roll in a lot of all of that, well, all of the Azure AD goodness, but it now unifies our approach to a lot of the identity security. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And for me, it's that sort of single pane of glass that I can go to with that sort of security focus and that security aspect that I'm looking for. Sometimes in our day in and day out work, it's just nice to have a specifically focused area for you to be able to work in. This provides that. We're all aware of Azure AD and all the wonderful features that are available in that. But then what they've done is they've wrapped in two new product
Mhm.
categories. One being the cloud infrastructure entitlement management, and the next, which I'm really excited to learn about, is sort of that decentralized identity
Exactly.
component.
Yeah, it's a bit of a new concept for a lot of us, right? And one
Hmm.
of the things that decentralizing the identity security is really going to bring for us is improved security overall, because by decentralizing it, we can now approach it with a multifaceted, multi-layered approach to our security around identity. And we have, of
Hmm.
course, kind of our honorable mention of verified ID, the new
Hmm.
privacy respecting, decentralized identity credentials. We now get to do identity verification as a solution, and it's a lot more user friendly. So, kind of Entra's idea here is that they want to really, or Microsoft really wants to make identity security more consumable and easier for our end users to kind of work with day in and day out. We want to do away with hundreds of multi-factor prompts and all of the you had mentioned the other day to me, we were chatting about conditional access, very powerful tool. However, as administrators, we have to be delicate with it because it is so powerful, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. And the applications, for ourselves and our day in and day out, work streams is the applications are going to be new, and this is new and it's exciting, and sometimes what's rewarding about our career is we're not kind of pigeonholed into that same sort of box day in and day out. So when a new offering comes up, such as Microsoft Entra, it gets people like Andrew and I really excited that we get to try and learn new things, and then bring that experience to our end clients to help them, meet their security requirements or whatever their requirements are. And in more efficient ways.
Exactly. So one of the kind of nice secrets that you and I use to hop around to what I can only say is many different administrative portals in a day is
Hmm.
Microsoft portals. So msportals.io. Now, I've done a bit of a search filter here so that we can see Entra highlighted. And of course, it's entra.microsoft.com is kind of our new admin home for Microsoft Identity. But if I remove this poor little filter, oh my gosh, look at this. So we can see there's one or two different portals that we use to take care of all of the admin things in the course of a day.
Hmm.
And I have no idea if the scroll bar actually shows properly for our viewers at home here, but I'll take a quick scroll through just the top part of the M365 admin portals. Look at the width of products, the number of different things that we can have access to in our tenants. So there's a lot to it, and being able to centralize things and simplify the operational aspects of identity security, huge step forward. And I'm really excited to learn more. So today's really intended as a bit of an intro to Entra, but
Absolutely.
we'll in the future do probably, if I know us, we'll probably end up doing one or two or seven deep dives on different aspects of Entra.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And right now it's topical. It's a brand new offering. It's shiny. It's new, and we're just getting our feet wet in it, just like the rest of you are today. But we wanted to call it out as a new offering that we're excited about. And when we're excited about something, wait until we're able to get you excited about it, and more importantly, wait till we're able to bring these capabilities into your
Absolutely.
organization. So stay tuned. We're certainly going to be speaking about this product suite, product family, a lot more, I think, in the months and years
I
to come.
absolutely agree. So, Ryan, when you have these awesome bits of information to share with us, where can we find them?
Absolutely, Andrew. Thank you very much. I can be found on Twitter at sign MSCQF. I can be found at YouTube, LinkedIn, and SoundCloud, Microsoft Cloud Quick Fix. And my blog is located at www.mscqf.com. And Andrew, where can we find you
Awesome.
again?
Thanks, man. So you can find me at www.azuretracks.com and on most social media platforms at AzureTracks. So thank you at home or work or on the train for joining us today. We really appreciate you guys watching. Give a share. Let your colleagues and friends and people you don't like and people you do like know about all of the wonderful things that Ryan shares with us. So, thank you so much for joining us. And Ryan, thank you for joining us as well. And until next
No
time,
problem.
bye for now.